So this is the next little bargain. 1.2 Chevrolet, 5-door, 59,000 miles on the clock. Absolutely filthy because I've just had it come back from the body shop. I forgot to do a before and after picture. It's had a massive crack in the bumper. It was all kind of misaligned from both sides of the wings, and yeah, they did a brilliant job on it, to be fair. So that set me back about 320 quid, I think it was. Car owes me 1550 plus a 320, so it's at just under £1,900. Probably put it up for about 2,950, 2,750, around that kind of region really. Maybe 2,950 and take 2,750 for it, just to make a good margin on it really. So yeah, literally just about to give it a good old wash. Probably polish it when it gets a little bit cooler in the evening because the panels are just too hot at the moment. So yeah, I'm gonna get cracking. Well, that's a little Chevrolet Spark cleaned. We're going to have some munch. Probably polish it in the evening when it's a bit cooler because those panels are piping hot at the moment. Give the interior a bit of a clean. Got some marks I need to polish out on the door. They should come out pretty easy, to be fair. There's not much need doing to this really, if I'm honest. I know there's a little bit of lack of peel here and there. You can see that. But it's not too bad overall. I mean, it's what, a 12-year-old car, but it's only done 59,000 miles. So yeah, gonna go and do the interior and give it a polish later. And there it is, the almost finished article. I haven't actually had time to polish it yet, but I've just taken pictures, so you can't tell too much in the pictures if it's been polished or not anyway. That bumper's coming nice from the body shop. So yeah, nice little car these. Like I said, I think I'm in it for about 1950, but I will confirm in the video at some point. Interior's come out alright. Bit of rave music for you. So yeah, there we have it. The Chevrolet Spark 1.2 5-door. Hopefully this will be a quick seller.